Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so we had the short day today, so the stock market closed at 1 o'clock. What do we have here? So Tesla is going down. We closed $34.08 down. That's minus 3.05%. We closed at 1081.92. Post-market, we seem to be up by 98 cents. So let's look at what we have here. I have to say that this is not really a surprise that Tesla is going down because if we look, let's look at the 1 hour chart right now. On the 1 hour chart, we already knew that we had this resistance right here to cross if we were expecting to go back up, because yesterday or Wednesday, so on Wednesday, the 24th, we closed right here. So very close to this resistance. And stochastic was under 60. We had stochastic at, let me see exactly, at 38. This move back up did not have enough strength. And to have enough strength, a move needs to have stochastic at over 60. So the move did not have enough strength to really go out and break. So what happened is that we just caved in today. So we caved in and we found support on the first hour at 1079.82. We found some buying pressure at 1079.82. So we have a longer wick here. Then the stock went down a little bit, less buying pressure, and now we closed right smack on 1079.82. And stochastic is still quite low. So at 15, everything else is pretty much bearish. So I would not be surprised that we go and touch this support again. So there are two possibilities. So we either touch this support and stabilize here, or we could go also lower. So let's just see what happens and react accordingly. Let's go see the daily chart. So from a more longer term perspective on the daily chart, we have stochastic at 39, so still not very strong. This is also telling me that we are going to go down next week a little bit. We have RSI that had broken outside of this decreasing strength trend, and we broke outside of it. Then now we seem to be following it very closely. So still descending in strength. And so MACD is still bullish from the fact that the two lines are above zero. So it means that there is an overall bullish, but we have a crossover, a bearish crossover. So we are still under that spell of a short-term bearish trend. A short-term bearish trend within the overall MACD upward trend of having the two lines above zero. And the MI is still above zero. So when I look at it from the 1 hour perspective, there is a possibility that we rebound on this support right here. If we do, wait for this stochastic at over 60. If you don't see it, then maybe the rebound won't last and the stock might be going down further. So we could go down as low as 1010 next week. But if we bounce on that support here, so we expect a bounce at around 1065 approximately. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Sunday for the members and look at the weekly chart analysis for Tesla and Palantir. For all of the others, we are going to talk on Monday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.